We're here doing free fan installs, no electric in the rooms. So we're gonna go ahead and pinpoint our spinners on each room of the 3, which I've done already. You can kind of see the pinpoints in the middle. And then we're gonna go ahead and put electricity up in the ceilings, connected to a switch that's already located below. Switches in each room currently control an outlet on the wall. We're going to convert that to constant power and convert the switch to control the newly installed fans. Here's the fans that we're going to put up. We have our first fan sitting here. Looks nice and tight. Operated on the switch that was on the wall and a remote that's on the desk over there. Our second fan is right there. Switch on the wall. And our third fan is up here and switch on the wall.